right, this is more of chapter 2, section 2, 4, page 2. All right, let's solve a problem with 3 sets here. Online music service surveyed 500 customers and found that 250 listened to hip hop music, so many listened to rock, and so many listened to country. So I'm going to make my A hip hop, my B rock, and my C country for music. All right. So when they say that, that means all of A is 270. So I don't know, I can't write anything in yet. All of B is 160. All of C is 160. All of B is 3. Okay, write this down. Sorry. There are 500 total. That's certainly an important number. And then A, which I am making my hip hop, has a total of 270 listeners. B, which I'm making my rock, has a total altogether for the set is 320. C for country, total 160. Can't write them in yet because I don't know how this is broken up. All right, what else does it tell me? It tells me 140 is rock and hip hop, which is A and B. Listen to both. And then 120 listen to rock, which is B, and country, which is C, both. And I'm just reading at the top here. 80 is a lot of information, is hip hop and country, both. All right, so both means they're in both places. And 50 listen to A, B, and C. So what can we start with putting things in here? Well, if you can, right there is all 3, which is in section 5. So we can put the 50 here. Okay, because those 50 people out of the 500 listen to all 3 stations. Is that one of the questions? Listen to only hip, listen to any, don't listen to any of these 3, don't listen to country. So that's not even one of them, but we put it in there. Okay, don't listen to any of these 3 type musics. That's down here. So we have no idea what there is, but we're going to work our way out. So for these, I actually start at the bottom and work my way up. Innermost was 50. So then I can check out, how about this 80 here? A and C, that's right here. So you can consider this. Let's consider these. When I said and, what's the symbol for and? Is another way to say intersection. Oops, not an A. That's kind of a U here. Sorry, that's a U and that's a U. Okay, so intersection of A and C have 80. 50 are already here. So 80 minus 50 is 30. Go there. And that way you have a total in that intersection spot for those 2 regions. Okay. B and C together is 120. B and C together is 120. And I already have 50 in that spot. So that's a 70 that are left Was that B and C? B and C is rock and country. Yep, that's 70. And then 140 is A and B. So 140 in this whole section here. So 140 minus 50 is 90. So they're 90 here. Okay. That's 140. These 120. These are 80. All right. So that takes care of that one, that one, that one, and that one. Just filling this out right now. Okay. Country had a total of 160. So 160 minus 70 minus 50 minus 30, that's 150. So that's 10. That's interesting. So only 10 people in this 500 customer survey list to only country. Okay. And then rock, let's see. We have minus 90, minus 50, minus 70. 110. Let me just double check that. Sorry, just to be sure, just to be positive. I mean, this is what you should do on a test when your mental math might not be as awesome as it normally is. Oh, I just added them. Then you put them in the calculator wrong and they come out wrong. So 320 minus 90 minus 50 minus 70 is 110. Okay, so 110 goes in the rock. All right, and then the hip hop, it's 270 minus 90 minus 50 minus 30. That's 170 minus 200. That's 100. Hoping that mental math came out right. And then 270 minus is 100. Okay. All right, and that goes there. All right, but what about here still? Well, I need to know how many people I have put on here because there are 500 total. So that's the last thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take all of these and add them up. So if we have them all here, so 270, 320, and 160 is everything in these three sets. That's what we have so far. 750. Something went wrong. Oh, can't add those numbers. Why can't you add those numbers, people? You can't add those numbers because there's overlapping numbers in there. That would just been too easy. What you do, so because I'm not thinking totally straight, what I can do is take, let's be logical about this. I can take the entire A. The entire A is 270. Okay, but that means I can't take these. So I need to add 110 and 70. And then once I've added, whoa, killed my, having a rough time. 270, all of A, 110, 70, and 10. 14, 15, 16, 460. That makes more sense, doesn't it? Because we had 500 total minus the 460 that are in the three sets. So that's going to leave 40 that don't listen to those three types of music. All right. Let's see. What were the questions? Listen to only hip hop. That's right here. So that's 100. Listen to rock and country. Rock and country, but not hip hop. That's right there. That's 70. Right? Let's do that again. Rock and country overlap here. So these people here at the intersection listen to both. But these 50 also listen to hip hop. So it's you're left with region 6, which is a 70 only. Okay. And this one says, don't listen to any of these three types of move. We just figured that out. That's the section 8 down there, region 8. And then don't listen to country music at all. All of these people here listen to country music. So that means these people don't listen to country music. So that's 100, 110, and 90. 300 don't listen to country music. Out of, didn't ask for percents, but that's out of 500. Don't listen to country. Okay. I'm going to do the last one on another video.